जय श्री राम। आज से हम शुरू करेंगे चैप्टर 58 सूरा आल मुजादिला। आल मुजादिला मतलब द प्लीडिंग वोमेन। तो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे एक बात करना चाहता हूँ। हम ये सब क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं? ये है मतलब मैं हूँ पंडित, तो मैं कभी कभार जाता हूँ लोगों से मतलब मुस्लिम चैनल इस्लामिक चैनल्स पर डिबेट करने के लिए। वो लोग मेरे को पहले एक्यूज़ करते थे कि तुमने कभी कुरान पढ़ा ही नहीं, कुरान पढ़ के समझा ही नहीं। ये मैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक प्रूफ रख रहा हूँ ताकि मैं दिखा सकूँ उन लोगों को जी मैंने कुरान पढ़ा भी है, समझा भी है। तो इसीलिए ये सब मैं अपलोड कर रहा हूँ। नहीं तो मतलब कुरान से मुझे कोई ये खास लगाव नहीं है कि मैं ये सब अपलोड करूँ। ठीक है, तो चलते हैं। ये आज सुनते हैं 10 वर्स ही हम थोड़ा स्लो जाएंगे। रोज़ 10 वर्स ही हम अपलोड करेंगे। ठीक है, अगर छोटा हुआ ज़्यादा बड़ा वीडियो नहीं बनाऊंगा तो 2-3 मिनट का ही वीडियो रोज़ अपलोड करूँगा। उसमें जितना वर्स आ सके बस उतना काफ़ी है। तो चालू करते हैं। आयत नंबर 1, ये चैप्टर 58 का आयत नंबर 1। इंडीड अल्लाह हैज़ हर्ड द आर्गुमेंट ऑफ द वोमन हु प्लीडेड विथ यू ओ प्रोफेट कंसर्निंग हर हस्बैंड and appeal to Allah. Allah has heard your exchange. Surely Allah is all hearing, all seeing. To those of you who sinfully divorce their wives by comparing them to their mothers should know that their wives are no way their mothers. None can be their mothers except those who gave birth to them. What they say is certainly detestable and false, yet Allah is truly ever pardoning, all forgiving. 3. Those who divorce their wives in this manner then wish to retract what they said must free a slave before they touch each other. This penalty is meant to deter you, and Allah is all aware of what you do. 4. But if the husband cannot afford this, let him then fast 2 consecutive months before the couple touch each other. But if he is unable to fast, then let him feed 64 people. This is to reaffirm your faith in Allah and His Messenger. These are the limits set by Allah, and the disbelievers will suffer a painful punishment. 5. Indeed, those who defy Allah and His Messenger will be debased, just like those before them. We have certainly sent down clear revelations, and the disbelievers will suffer a humiliating punishment. 6. On the day Allah resurrects them all together, we will then inform them of what they have done. Allah has kept account of it all, while they have forgotten it. For Allah is a witness over all things. 7. Do you not see that Allah knows whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth? If 3 converse privately, He is their 4th. If 5, He is their 6th. If fewer or more, He is with them. wherever they may be. Then on the day of judgment, He will inform them of what they have done. Surely Allah has perfect knowledge of all things. 8. Have you not seen those who were forbidden from secret talks, yet they always returned to what they were forbidden from? Conspiring is sin, aggression, and disobedience to messenger. And when they come to you, O Prophet, and greet you, not as Allah greets you, say to one another, why does Allah not punish us for what we say? Hell is enough for them. They will burn in it. What an evil destination. 9. O believers, when you converse privately, let it not be for sin, aggression, or disobedience to the messenger, but let it be for goodness and righteousness, and fear Allah, to whom you all be gathered. 10. Secret talks are only inspired by Satan to grieve the disbelievers, yet he cannot harm them whatsoever except by Allah's will. So in Allah let the disbelievers put their trust.